think our customers see a lot of benefit in the automation capabilities that we've been able to display, obviously from a cost standpoint, but also a quality and capacity standpoint. We've partnered with a few customers that have actually funded some of our automation projects, and we've seen a huge benefit from that. On top of that, I think one of the main advantages that having an on-site automation team has provided for us is to be hyper-responsive to customer needs. So instead of having to go outside to change a process for a minor part change, we can do it all internally and do that in a timely fashion. I see automation at Biomerics being a comprehensive tool used by all sites for all types of different processes, from the component level all the way up to finished device. I see at least one or two automation engineers or controls engineers at each site. I'm working with the manufacturing engineers to help solve problems on the floor.